Hey there, it's also here, the assassin. Today I'm going to talk about the new acronyms that are becoming standard terminology with optimization with the advent of AI. Now, unbeknownst to me, I was using some of the wrong terminology. I say that tongue in cheek because there really wasn't any standard, and who's setting the standard. And it's just what generally more people start using becomes the more common terminology. So the old one for optimization is SEO, search engine optimization, and that is going to continue to be a thing because it is relevant in the way that you structure your website and your content and the stuff you do for backlinks and what have you to gain authority for your website to rank with search. Now, the new kids on the block, there's three of them. There's AIO, which is AI optimization. So this is to help you to be visible, trusted, and referenced by the AI models, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude. So the things you need to do to strengthen your brand and data consistency, keep all the business data identical across directories and media. So that's, name, ABN address, website links, LinkedIn, socials. The schema on your site is very important. Wiki data, so Wikipedia and what have you, and your Google business profile. But certainly there's a lot of other industry directories that you need to look out for and make sure you're listed on. And that's what we're doing for a number of our clients, is looking for the directories that are relevant that the search and that the AI tools are using to find the data that they're presenting. So you've got to get listed on those. So that could be your Wikipedia page and any news and media. And then you've got directories like Crunchbase, G2, Trustpilot, productreview.com.au, any government or education stuff. So that's .gov.au or .edu.au. Any listings on those, as always with SEO, have been important, and they're very important for AI optimization. So anything you can do around public thought, so that's getting listed or having your articles published in Forbes, Australia, Smart Company, Innovation AU, a range of different publications that are relevant to your category is going to help you. So then that'll probably be about it. But getting a lot of 5-star reviews on Google and Trustpilot and what have you will help enormously also. So that's AI optimization. Then we've got GEO. This is Generative Engine Optimization. So these are the AI-powered search results. So on Google search, on Bing, and Perplexity AI. So you need to make sure that the standard stuff you're doing for SEO is important for GEO. So that's Google's EAT, EEAT, which is expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Keep your content clear, fact-checked, and easy to read, and make it original. If you grab your content from the AI tools, they're not going to rank you too well. You need to use structured markup schemas where relevant. So again, solid SEO foundations are good for this. So GEO is the bridge between traditional SEO and the AI generated search. The third one is AEO, and that's answer engine optimization. Now, these are generally for voice search and featured snippets. Like you've got the Google Assistant, you've got Siri and Alexa, but it's also going to be relevant for any answers to questions. So having lots of FAQs on your website and having your website pages structured properly for those answers, those questions and answers will make a big difference. But again, the answers need to be original. They need to have your voice and your answers and your take on something rather than something you've grabbed from AI and thrown up there. That won't help you. So in summary, SEO is to rank in traditional search, Google, Bing, YouTube. So you need keywords, backlinks, and technical SEO. AIO, be visible on the AI models, ChatGPT, GPT, Perplexity. So you need accuracy, trusted sources, and it has to be machine readable content. So there's some tricks around structuring that data. A GEO is to show up in the AI powered search. So Bing Chat, SGE, Gemini. So authority, clear content, structured formatting. And the last one is the answer engine optimization. So they will appear in direct answers. So featured snippets and voice assistance is where it works. So you want quick answers, conversational, and it needs to be structured properly. So you're going to hear a lot more about these, and you're going to hear people bantering on about they've got a quick and easy solution for you. And then we've been approached by a number of companies selling the tools that will work out whether you rank in any of these and what you need to do to optimize better in those particular places. We're testing a few of those at the moment. Haven't got to the end of the road on that yet. I don't think anyone has. It's still early days. And this is going to be a bit like it was with SEO in the early years. Things that work now might not work in 6 months' time because they're going to keep tweaking what they do with these models. So stay tuned. But I also think you need to really think about allocating a bit more budget so you can cover some of these other areas because they're going to be important. Now, we can rank really well for a lot of these tools. We'll get a lot of business. Thanks.